All right. Welcome to the Chop It Up Kitchen where we're chopping up food and conversation. That's right, Dr. Sadie style. Give me a minute, and as always, we about to get up in it. All right. Welcome back to another episode. I'm glad to see you, family. Glad to see you. I know it's been a while, but I'm back with a smile. All right, today we're going to be preparing for you creamy wild rice mushroom soup, baby. That's right, on the Dr. Sadie tip, because you know why? Your health is your wealth. I ain't going to keep jaw jacking, but if you haven't already did it, go ahead and hit the like and the share and subscribe button. We almost on 2,000, baby. Help me get to 2,000 by hitting that like and that share and that subscribe button. So without further ado, the ingredients for you. All right, family. We got 2 cups of wild rice, 1/4 cup of cilantro, half a cup of white onions, 4 cups of vegetable broth. We got 1/4 cup of chives, 3 cups of mixed mushrooms, 3 cups of butternut squash, and we have a tablespoon of sea salt and a tablespoon of thyme and 1 chilled can of coconut milk, baby. So what we're gonna do right here is we're gonna go ahead and spray the pot down with some grapeseed oil, about 2 tablespoons that is. Get it nice and coated. Make sure the pot is heated on medium-high heat. Put that white onions in there and get them nice and sauteed. We're gonna saute these for about 5 minutes till they get nice and translucent. So we're gonna saute them. We're gonna add in the rest of the ingredients. Like I said before, the ingredients will be down in the description box. These are a variety of portobello and mixed mushrooms. You can just use portobello if you can't find any other, but I mixed them up. So you can do a variety of brown mushrooms, so to say. So we're gonna saute the mushrooms and the white onions. Put in those chives, like I said, the ingredients in the description box. So if you're asking me, just look down in the description box. There go the ingredients. All right there, fam? All right. Get it all mixed. We're going to go ahead and saute this for about 5 minutes on a medium-high heat. It's smelling good, y'all. Smelling good. Chop It Up Kitchen coming at it. Like I said before, let's go ahead and get to that 2,000 mark, baby. Put that vegetable broth in there. See what the coconut milk does is gives it that creamy flavor. There's that butternut squash. You're going to cook all this down for about 45 minutes on a simmer. You want to simmer all this once you get it sauteed and everything. You know, once again, you're going to cook it all down. There's that pre-cooked rice. Forgot to mention, I pre-cook my rice. It makes it cook a little quicker because you know wild rice takes a little bit longer, so I kind of get a head start and pre-cook the rice. So if you're wondering what did I do with the rice, I pre-cooked it a little bit and I soaked it overnight as well. And here's the coconut milk. I chilled it overnight as well, so it can give it that creamy texture that we want. We put in the thyme, tablespoon, sea salt, tablespoon, getting it all popping. The aroma in this kitchen is smelling good, family, just like my grandmother, boy. Get it smelling good. And what it is with this lime, can't put vinegar in it, so I substituted vinegar with lime, and what it does is balance out the coconut flavor. And those are your ingredients for the creamy wild rice mushroom soup, baby. Dr. Sadie approved. All right, family, we back with the taste test, the grand finale. That's right, Dr. Sadie approved. If you ain't already did it, once again, go ahead and hit that like, share, and subscribe. All right, let me taste this old wild rice. Just like butter, baby, just like butter. As always, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Your health is your wealth.